Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPress tutorial videos for LearnPress. In this video, I'm gonna talking about how to use Gradebook add-on for LearnPress. Are you looking for an add-on that allows you to track the student's learning progress and result? Gradebook add-on is the right choice for you. You can keep track of all the students in your courses. See the progress and the results when taking part in the courses. At first, you need to have the add-on ready to use by installing and activating through dashboard as usual. After the add-on is ready, go to LearnPress Courses. You'll see a column of Gradebook in the course list. Click View on any existed course that you want to check the Gradebook. You will see a list of students who took a part in your course in a table, as you can see here. You can click Details under the student's username to get more information about the progress. All the grades and status of lessons, quizzes and assignments will be shown like this. Besides, you can also export the Gradebook into a CSV file and download it to your computer to easily keep tracking the student's learning process. That's all about Gradebook add-on. Hope you will find it easier to use. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you and if you want to get more tutorial video from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial videos.